BuzzCast live video chat app. I'm going to review this app for you so that you can know how to use it and how exciting it is, how it looks. And also, we're going to look at what people say about it. The recent reviews are actually bad, but generally, if you go through several reviews, you realize actually this app is not that so bad as other people say. Okay. Now, Buzzcast, as any other app, it has issues with some people being rude, others are doing some weird stuff. Okay, there's someone is complaining about a lot of scammers. When you reach to the support, they kind of useless. They don't give you, you know. I'm not sure about this, but I think for their support, I see on their app, these guys try to reply to almost most of the complaints. So in support, I think Buzzcast is not so bad. And if you have an issue, you can try to reach them on their Play Store. I think here they actually more active. And they have an email which you can give to support. Okay, so I'm seeing them actually replying to most of the comments of people who are kind of, someone saying they allow child abuse, and this is something which is a bit tricky in even other video chat apps. But I think a lot of accounts are getting suspended for this. But it's really something which is hard to avoid permanently because we never know. Sometimes who's installing it, and definitely someone can just put in a fake age number then access the app. So. Some of the complaints that you find there, they are usually the complaints that you find in most of the live video chat apps. And I've installed it and it's actually cool. It's kind of cool. And I really don't want to play people's videos here, but it's direct and okay, it's really good. Okay, personally, I can say it's really good. And its presentation, you get to know several accounts as they load, stuff like that. So I really don't want to let every video load because some of the videos I don't know what to expect. So I can't really stream that live on this video. This one says that this is the best app for live streaming. The real connection of live streaming is like no other social media. So many features from virtual gifts. By the way, you can get actually virtual gifts from this app. Virtual stars and likes, you never get tired of it. Okay, this app is an ant building zone filled with positive people and energy. Okay, a great app to make new friends from over the world. People are friendly and don't just sit on the live stream demanding you to pay them all the time, which is great. Okay, best app though. Takes more days to receive the money, make it like 3 days, working days. Why don't you send me the money to M-Pesa? I think this is a Kenyan, and I think it's not yet actually available to M-Pesa. Okay. Someone says it's really a neat platform. There's lots to keep you entertained and friendly community of people. Okay, as a streamer, I mean Buzzcast is so excited. I've been in the app for 7 years. Wow. Please add or pay Bank Nigeria Limited to the list of the bank withdrawals, and the app takes like 98% of the gifts given to the streamer, or the streamer collects 2%. It's unfair and make withdrawals to be 24 hours, not 15 days. This is almost like for 2 weeks and more. So I'm not really sure, but I don't know if it's the rate is like this, but this one is kind of saying like the Buzzcast takes almost like 98%, leaving you with 2%. I don't know if it's the situation in Nigeria and others, but you can let me know in the comments section below. But generally, if you're kind of looking for an app that you can do a live video chat, I think you can try out this app. It has more than 10 million downloads. Okay. Those are lots of downloads, and it's kind of good. Okay, let me try to scroll fast. There's unlimited people that you can actually scroll. Some of them are near your country, others actually from different places. Okay, so that's what I can say. Buzzcast, to me, I think it's okay. Just be careful. These are strangers. Some of them can be scammers. Some of them can be drug addicts. You never know. This is like a strange world. So don't expect angels on this platform. To be realistic, just don't have your expectations so high. But a good thing that you can try to make some money somehow, but keep it safe, and let me know what you think. If you're interested in videos like this, app reviews like this, random app reviews, which I think some people don't know, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and you can leave me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.